Hi lovelies, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I appreciate everyone, my returning subscribers. Thank you for really stopping by. Today I have fascinating short hairstyles. These styles are catchy. These styles are one of the most captivating short hairstyles for beautiful black women. So if you really want to take off your ears, please watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone for really staying low. God bless you guys. See you at the end of the video. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. You can try any of those beautiful colors that comes up with the most extraordinary texture. An extra short afro will withstand any bold experiment with dignity. So just check out those beautiful inspirational videos of women rocking their short teeny weeny afro hairstyle. You can give your teeny weeny afro hairstyle an icing edge by dyeing it a stark white blonde. Is just as striking and chic as a honey or buttery shade. So you can see it for yourself. Haven't you always wondered if blondes have more fun? Because it will give you that gorgeous look and a kind of catchy view from everyone. So if the society tries to persuade you that short hair is for men only, dot all the I's and cross all the T's with cute and feminine tempo and neck designs. Such well-done designs will prove you have got, great taste and will definitely turn heads in that occasion. I love the style. You can try the style by getting this beautiful cut. You can see, and also defining the side parts if you wish. Then you can go out the top nice and keep it cut in a flattened square of shape. This really adds that dimension to naturally coily styles, Not to mention, you can see it looks cute. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Just keep it simple by embracing totally natural thin-weeny afro hairstyles. Embrace the tight, uncolored, and ultra-coiled ringlets that really hug the shape of your head and play off your natural features and your bone structures. These are cute hairstyles everyone needs to try. These twirls don't need to be so teeny weeny afro. Let your coils just go out a bit if you want. You can also give them that beautiful color highlight, the blonde and other kind of color. Just prepare to be amazed because this kind of hair colors and coils will frame your face properly and perfectly and bring out your natural features. Okay, these are gorgeous styles we have for you guys here today in Wendy Styles, because in Wendy Styles short hair really lives here. Just channel your inner amber rose with a shaved and chiseled afro, because nothing is sexier than a woman who can rock a nearly bad look. And don't worry, your hair is still there. Just keep the top a bit long and let that meme be known. Okay, these are beautiful cuts. I'm really falling in love with those hairstyles. Here we see one more great ideas for short women's hair. This hair, you can see, makes the cut look not so short, and the eyebrow change of colors remembers you that even with the 10-winning afro, you have to stay aware of the trendiest dye drops. One clean shaving line will be the so-called cherry on the top of your do. These are beautiful natural hairstyles. It's no secret that your natural hair color is just the best for you. But if you want to make your look brighter, just choose a soft warm shade which will accentuate the tones of your skin and eyes. These colors are okay, and it will be one of the best ideal if you're looking for a sexy and sassy hairstyle. Just lighten up your natural dark curls by really using some beautiful, products, because the result is a hairstyle packed with life and dimension, yet still natural looking. You can also make the side part for even more fall and femininity, and pair your cut with some massive earrings. Now bet me your look will be mega attractive.
I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Away, away. 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 What would I live for if I don't have you in my life? What would I gain if you take the Holy Ghost? What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. I'll make room for two. You and I, Jesus. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Is it the car? Is it the house? I'll give them all to you. Is it the name? Is it the fame? I'm nothing without you, Lord. What would have become of me if I didn't see your light? What would have been said of me if you didn't hold my hand? And now I've come to realize that you are all I have. You are all that matters. You are all that matters. Away, away. You are all that matters. Away, away. You are all
What a lovely styles. I really love them. I know you love them too. God bless you guys and see you in my next video.